What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And first of all, I just want to say Happy New Year, you guys. It's finally 2022 now, and I did make a video. I uploaded that video of the Cobalt Burnout. I uploaded that like, I think it was like 6 hours before 2022 started, you know, the new year. So I told you guys in that video, if you guys watched it, click up in one of these two corners, and if it's not there, then I forgot how to do it. But I told you guys there's gonna be more videos coming over the Trans Am right here, which I haven't made a video about in over, I think it was like July of like 20, I believe, was the last video that I made over my Trans Am right here, the 1980 pace car Trans Am that I'm putting a 78 nose on. And I did the floorboards in it. That was a long time ago. And I've done other stuff, obviously. You see that hood sitting right here. That is the shaker hood that is going on it. I've already bodyworked it, and it's ready to be, you know, put in the stages of getting ready to be painted on. There was actually, you see that circle? I did miss one spot. My bad, I actually missed 4 spots. They're very small spots, if you guys can see them right there. But this video today, guys, I'm not gonna be really working on too much. I'm just gonna be showing you the update where I'm at, and then videos coming will be the continuation of this, and you know, doing the body work on the body. I have my other door over there I have to do actually, and then I have my passenger side fender right here, which was actually made wrong. It's an aftermarket fender, so they actually made it incorrectly. There was a few things wrong with it. Driver side fender, come on. I do have the driver side fender done in that same yellow polyester, pretty much is what it is, that you guys see right there. So we're gonna go over to the door right now. This would be the driver's side door right here. This door right here. This actually was the good door. You know, condition wise, rust wise, it actually wasn't terrible at all. Like, I'll be honest with you, it was pretty damn good. I wonder if you guys can see it up in here. If you guys can see this is the lip, the bottom lip of the door right here. It's a different color because we dumped a bunch of chassis saver all around it and into the door, like in here, and it just gravity helped it down, go back into this lip right here. So it's just sitting in there, so we won't have to worry about rusting anymore. Now the big reason for me doing that is because of this right here, this door. This is my other door, as you guys can see. Oh goddamn, move that shit, don't wanna. Okay, yeah. Official pace car, 1980, whatever. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. This actually, the other door right there actually had this before. This is not bad at all. This is not through, it's not bad. Same thing here. Up here, there was, somebody did use body filler on this door. You can especially see, you can literally see it right here, the body filler. But you look even down here, it ain't bad, it ain't bad, it ain't bad. And then you come to this shit, boom, gone. And you guys can see they did use body filler. You can see the lip right here. You can see the difference. They did, and in here too, you guys can also see it. They used a decent amount of body filler, and they just completely just covered that shit up and slapped it back on the car. It's all the way through. So I'm gonna have to section this piece out. Depends on how far it actually comes up. Again, I haven't stripped the door yet, so I don't know how much body filler is actually in this region. But from what I know, this is probably the majority of it right here, of the whole. I guarantee you there is a little bit more, but we'll have to get to that when we get to that. Now, the main reason I was pretty much holding this off was because I just didn't really think that you guys would really want to see me just doing body work, because it's very repetitive and it takes time. It does take time, very repetitive work. You're just sanding, and then you sand again, and then you sand again. So I kind of put it off. I didn't really think you guys would be too interested in seeing that. So I guess let me know if you guys want to see me do the body work on it. But if you don't, I'm just gonna cut to the parts where like before. Oh, here's what it is. Kind of like that door I just showed you guys. And then it'd be maybe a few steps in between, like an update, and then the final result, like the yellow door you saw right there, or this yellow shaker hood right here. Now let me get back here and show you guys. Damn, a lot of shit over here. Let me show you guys something. All right, so as you guys can see, these are the floor pans that were in the previous video well over a year ago. You can see they're pretty dusty in here because I haven't really touched the inside of the car since. I've been working on all the other panels in here. So I guess in terms of the car, the whole body still needs to be, like, you know, stripped, body worked. The roof is gonna be a bit iffy. There's dings, and especially around where the T-tops are, I can imagine inside here, this is all good. Like, this is gone. That's destroyed. That's, yeah. Like, I got my work cut out for me. And like I said, here's that fender right here, guys. I actually do still have to find a 78 nose for this thing. So, because the 79 nose, the 79 through 81 nose is what this actually had on it, obviously, because this is an 80 Trans Am. The trunk right here, this, the tail panel right here, it's all good right here. And you notice the color changes, and this is all like really nice right here because we actually had to patch this. This was rusted through. You guys can maybe kind of see it in there. Trying to get a good view for you guys here. There, you guys can possibly see this seam right here. That is where we had to patch it because this was just all gone. Kind of like right there. We're gonna have to patch that. It was like that, but 10 times worse throughout this whole thing. It was just gone. There was no metal left. And so far, that's probably where I'm at currently. Just trying to think of anything else. Oh, that actual trunk lid itself. I actually just completed that probably like 3-4 days ago here. It's in here with that same polyester that I was talking to you guys about. Here is the trunk. The echo is insane in here, but like here's the trunk. It came out extremely well. This is not the trunk that was on the car. We got a different trunk lid because my whole trunk lid, this rear lip right here was just completely gone. Through here, there was rust through here. There was tons of rust inside it, like in here. Actually, like the rear of the inside the actual trunk itself. So this one came out extremely well, very well. The only spots that I really thought were like not that good were around where the spoiler mounts, where it bolts in through the trunk lid, and that's just because somebody over tightened them, I guess, and it sucked the metal down. But that's not a big deal to me because it's gonna happen again. I got the spoiler I'm putting on it still. I'm gonna say that's probably a wrap for this first video, guys. I'm just trying to really think of stuff to show you guys. It's good that there's enough content to be made on this still. There's plenty of content made on this. Real quick. The door right here, I just showed you guys the door. We were going to use this door actually because, you guys can't really see it too well, but on this door, the inner structure of this door actually was messed up by the previous person. I'm trying to really get a good shot. You can see right here that they just kind of patched this thing. It was cracked in places, split. They cut it, they hacked it up. Like, look at that shit. So, and this on top of it, like it's a lot more work than that door right over there. But we got this door. This was from a 74, I believe, Trans Am. So it had a different infrastructure right here. It had roll-up crank windows, mine had automatic, so we'd have to move the pieces all around, but There was it was actually laid out differently, but then we came over here to this side of the door right here, and this whole bottom lip, you can see right there, you could literally see right through it. Hang on. You can see this whole bottom lip right here is gone. Now it may not look gone, but I guarantee you if I got a pick out and I tried to poke through that, I could poke through it with ease. You guys can see it right in here. It's gone. I'm sneaking the tool up the pick behind it. Literally, like I just put that hole in it right there. Like the seal is not there anymore. Like I said, this is just a starter video to let you guys know the current status of the car at this current moment. And that's all I intended for in this video. There's nothing, I'm not actually gonna work on anything in this video, it's just letting you guys know before shit actually gets started on this Trans Am. So that's probably gonna be it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for videos coming over the restoration of hood of this 1980 Trans Am pace car, which won't be a pace car anymore, but it is 78, 81, whatever. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all y'all in the next one.